Hey everyone, in this video today we're fixing a Hisense freezer. This is a smaller one. You'll notice a plastic panel that looks like this. It has one screw, so we're just going to remove that. And to pull this white panel off, you just pull it straight out and it should come right out. With the cover off, you can see the compressor, and then there's this box to the left of it. We're going to focus here. We're going to remove these screws first. Do this one on the left, this one in the middle, and then pull this plastic cover off to come straight out. One more screw on the very right here, and this comes straight out as well. And with those screws out of the way, we can now pry this black cover upward away from the notch, and then it opens like the hood of a semi-truck. So it'll open away and hinge towards the bottom. So you do have to remove the black, green, and white or gray wires from the positions to be able to continue pulling this off. And then you'll be able to peek behind it to see what's going on as well. So now I'm just taking this video to show the position of everything, all these different modules. So the compressor is on the very right. You do have these wires, the blue ones, going into starter relay and I think like an overload, something like that. All of these plug into 3 prongs into the compressor and they just pull straight out. So just taking this video for reference before I pull everything out further. So the best way is to pull this straight out. You don't want to pry it with a screwdriver like I'm doing. I tried doing this just to loosen it a bit, but of course the pieces are plastic, so they're a bit brittle. Just be mindful of that as you're pulling this out. Just pull it straight out, given there are 3 prongs. Now that this is pulled out, look at how it's assembled. You do have the white part on top with 1 prong, and then the black part on the bottom with the 2 prongs as well. So just keep that in mind. These have to sit together to be able to plug into the compressor itself. And what commonly goes wrong with these is the black bottom part. So I'm just removing the blue wire that goes into that. So here's a comparison of them side by side. Typically what you'll notice is if you shake one will rattle and the other one won't. And if you test for continuity, one will check fine and the other one won't. So now we're putting the new one back in place. So there you go. Just sliding this whole assembly back together. Checking to make sure the blue wire is in the right position once again. Sliding the cap back into place. Snapping this black cover. Those wires are back in their holders, and now sliding this black cover into place as well. The 3 screws here go back. And after plugging everything in, we hear the compressor running, so that's a success. Lastly, we put this white cover back on along with the screw, and then we're done. Hopefully you've fixed your freezer by now. Thank you very much for watching.